Hi, I'm Kim St. Jean, and I want to introduce to you a new class I have coming up called Soldering Trifecta. 3 is my favorite number, so we're going to be working with wire solder, paste solder, sheet solder. Do we want to use liquid flux, paste flux, a flux that you make? Are you going to use a butane torch, an acetylene torch? What kind of torch are you going to use? So we're going to be answering a lot of these questions. We have some packets that are going to be available for you on the link below so that you're ready for these classes. If you're soldering metals already, or you want to start soldering your metals, making bezels, making compound attachments, having movement in your metals, working with prongs, working with bezels, Soldering Trifecta class is really going to help you put this all together and make it easy for you. I teach 30 to 40 weeks a year, and I get the same questions over and over and over again. There's just so many things that we're going to address in this class to try to smooth this out for you, to make it as least painful for you as it can be, and to offer you the different answers so that you will have a more successful time at silversmithing and make it enjoyable and not painful. So we're going to also be looking at working with different metals in the Soldering Trifecta class, so you'll be able to work with mixed metals in your artwork. I really want to help people feel comfortable with their soldering techniques, and I really think this is the class that's going to work for you. We're going to answer as many questions as we can and make it as painless as can be and as fun and smooth for you as it can be, answering all those questions. I'm really super excited about my new class, Soldering Trifecta, so click below and get signed up today.